Hi guys, welcome to another video of Roblox. Today we are going to do a fun game today. We are going to play this game, Survive and Kill the Killers in Area 51. And I played this a lot of times, especially like in 2015. And I love this game. But I'm going to try to save my friend from here, so let's just do it. Okay guys, so we are in the game, and oh my god, I am so scared to jump in this hole and try to save my friend from all the scary people. So some people are wishing me, like this guy says, there's also an ammo bag hidden somewhere. 6 weapons are hidden underground to kill the killers when you find them. And all these fun tips. And this guy says, good luck. Okay, thank you. So let's just go. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. What is this? Okay guys, let's see if there's any people that are trying to kill my friend. But guys, I know a little secret. I know where guns are to kill the killer, so there's horror people. Oh god. Oh, there's Granny. Oh my god, I need to run away, guys. Okay, let me try to close this. Try to close it. Good thing that this guy has a kind, because oh my god, there's Granny. Need to close it. Oh my god, guys. Okay, I closed the garage. I'm a little bit safe in here. Oh my god, guys, I'm just so scared, but I need to do it because I need to save my best friend because she is trapped somewhere in here, and I'm just so scared. There's so much scary people, and guys, I bought the game pass for this, so like if a monster tries to kill me that I drink this, but I forgot. It was 2 Robux, and that's why I bought it. Oh no. Close this door? Oh, good job. He had a gun. Okay, so okay. I'm just gonna go with these dudes because I'm gonna try to get a gun actually. Let's see if there's any scared people where the guns are. Oh my god! Guys, there's a scary person right here. I need to close this door. Oh my god. Okay, let's just close this before we die. Oh, there's more. Oh my god, I think I see Slenderman. That's Slenderman. Oh my god, guys. I'm gonna see him in the corner. Guys, this is so scary. Okay, here's... Oh my god. I'm so scared. Do not open that. Oh, there's a friend. Oh god. No. Oh, the person with the gun is... Oh my god. I hate this game. I actually love it, but it's just so hard. Let's try to get a gun, shall we? Because, you know. Is that Slender? Oh my god, there's Freddy Krueger. I need to go. Need to run. Oh wait. Hold on. There's Slenderman, guys. Oh, he's dead. So, let's go see if I can actually get a gun. Nope, there's Jack the Killer. Oh, there's more people. Yep, there's way more people. I'm just gonna stay in back of this kid because he has a gun and he's gonna shoot all the bad people. And I'm just scared. Okay guys, I will see you guys when I actually get a gun. Okay guys, so I just found a gun right here. So look, I got a secret thing. So we're gonna use these to kill. Yep, just killed him. Ah! Oh no, I have to. Do you have nail polish remover? I gave it to you yesterday. Oh yeah. How did that happen? Okay, I guess the guns are not the best way to go.
Mommy, come here though.
I'm not that kind of person.
I can't open my door.
I'm gonna hide there.
Because there's so much stuff in it. I can't open my door.
I'll see you guys when I actually find my phone. Okay guys, so let's just see if the monsters are still here.
Subscribe to my sister's YouTube channel.
Thanks, Maddie. Yep, there's still a monster there, Mad. I'm just gonna have a sip of this energy drink because I'm kind of thirsty and I'm just so nervous, so. Guys, should we just make a run for it or no? I think we should make a run for it because I'm just done. Are they still there? Let's wait a little bit. Ah, I'm so scared, guys. I'm like so freaking out right now. They're gone. Guys, I'm gonna make a run for it. Oh, look, that guy got them. Oh, I'm staying back. I'm staying back. This guy is very good. Ah, there's another monster. Guys, let's see if we can actually get the gun and kill all the people. So, guys, I'm going to show you how to get some guns. First, there's two places over here. So you can go over here, you can come down here, and look, there's a secret spot, and you can get a gun over here. Now I'm gonna jump up, and you know what you can do? You can do this. You have to kill her. Guys, I killed him. Alright, now let's go in the air vent. Did I fall? I fell. Okay, anyway. Let's get another gun. Hi. There. Now you go through the air vent and you just follow the path. For a minute. Yeah. And there will be a gun in one of the doors. So you're gonna go down here and it will lead you to this place. So you go over here and then you get over here and you get a gun. There we go. So now let's find some, little killers. And then, is there any more guns?
I went up there and I pulled it up.
Yep, there's no one. Nope. Wait, was there? Nope. Okay, guys, so let's just, there's one. I ran out. Thank you. Oh, I died. Well, that was very sad. I guess that's it for this video. I didn't find my best friend, but I did still kill 7 killers, as you can see right here. That was actually kind of fun, but I'll see you guys in the next Roblox video. Bye! Bye, guys. Make sure to subscribe.